Hello again everyone, welcome to another Horizon Hobby Holiday Gift Buying Guide. And in this particular video, we're going to talk about our all-in-one box items. Now what that entails is when you buy any of the items seen on this table or any of the items found in the link in the description, you get the product, you get the battery, you get the charger, you get the controller. Some of them even come with AA's for the transmitter, but if not, we do sell AA's on our website. Regardless, the great thing about this is that these are the perfect gift. You can buy these. You don't have to worry about, am I forgetting something? Is there another tool I'm going to need to make this work? Is there going to wait at charge? Blah, blah, blah. Forget about all that. It's all in one box. So just brought on the table, I have a great selection of items, but there's plenty more. But we have Losi, Mini 8 DB, Arma Granites. We actually have two Arma Granites up here. Two different platforms, two different price points, but there are two different versions here. Pro Boat Jet Jam. Great indoor boat, great outdoor boat too. Blade 70S, ready to fly helicopter. Inductrix Switch. The cool thing about this is it's a quad drone, also a hovercraft, both included in the box. Very cool. Hobby Zone Duet, a great indoor flyer, great trainer aircraft as well. Axial Yeti Can-Am Jr., very cool, very scale. Delta Ray 1, ready to fly. It's made an appearance in one of these videos already. Excellent, excellent plane. Very durable. Finally, we have probably my favorite of the table is the Arma Typhoon 550 Mega. This is brand new, and I gotta tell you, for the price of this, actually, the price of all this stuff for it to have everything in the box, you really can't go wrong. So let us know if you have questions, or make sure, watch our other gift guide videos where we talk about this other stuff and some of our other categories as well. So we will let you go. Thanks for shopping, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.